Once again, I'm doing everything in reverse. All the work has been done, and I'm kind of doing an outro that I'll show you at the beginning of this video, just to give you an idea of what you're going to see. Took out the gas tank, dropped that, cleaned it, and sort of prepped it to get the fuel pumps in. What we've got is the Radium surge tank, which can be configured in a lot of different ways. But the pumps that I decided to go with are the AM 340 liter per hour pumps. There's two main pumps and then a third lift pump. Now, the reason I went with the AM over the Walbro, which are the other options, is primarily because I didn't want to have more amp draw than I needed. And so the AM pumps draw a little bit less power, but they're kind of right on the edge of being the amount of flow that I need for the setup that I'm looking for. So, the other nice thing about the AM pumps is that they're extremely quiet, and that's been one of the main goals of this car all along, is to be performance oriented but also civilized, and so the AM pumps are going to get me closer to that goal. So you'll see everything that leads up to getting those pumps installed and everything that you would need to know pretty much in order to get the Radium surge tank installed. None of the wiring is done yet, but all of the setup of the surge tank is filmed so that you can see how that works, and it's much easier to see with the tank out of the car, but you do not need to drop the tank if you don't need to. So this can actually be done and installed with the tank attached to the car. So let's go ahead and have a look at what that looks like. Alright, I'm going to be installing the Radium surge tank system, which has two AM 340 liter per hour pumps inside the surge tank, and then there's an additional lift pump that goes in this little device here. The first step of the install is to remove the level sender from the stock hanger, and because we're going to transfer this over into the new system, we want to keep that. So basically there's just one screw holding this in, and then the wires here